We have discussed about the functional block diagram of operational amplifier, and we have seen the circuit symbol of operational amplifier. This is the circuit symbol of operational amplifier. Here we are giving inverting input. Here we are giving a non-inverting input. This is positive supply plus VCC. This is minus supply minus VEE, and this is output. Now in this class we are discussing the pin diagram of operational amplifier. The IC number of operational amplifier is 741, and we have discussed many IC packages, and it is coming under dual inline package. We have discussed the different packages. You see here, in two lines the pins are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where we have to connect the pin 1, because by seeing the IC we cannot tell which is 1 and which is 4. For that they give a small half circle. From this half circle left side the pin starts 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. In these pins, the second pin is representing our inverting input terminal, and the third pin is representing non-inverting input terminal, and the sixth pin is representing the output. Seventh pin is representing the plus VCC. Fourth pin is representing the minus VE. We have to connect our signals, both signals. Whichever signal we want to give for the non-inverting terminal, we have to connect at the terminal 3, and whichever signal we want to give at the inverting terminal, we have to connect at the terminal 2. Output we take from the terminal 6. Here we already discussed offset voltage. So this, in order to reduce the offset voltage, to make the offset voltage as 0, we connect the potentiometer between the 1 and 5. By adjusting this potentiometer, this offset voltage can be made as 0. And similarly, positive supply we are connecting at pin number 7, and a negative supply we are connecting at pin number 4. So if we are connecting a signal V1 at inverting terminal and V2 at non-inverting terminal, then the output will be the gain of this operational amplifier into V2 minus V1. Why V2 minus V1? Because we have connected V2 at pin 3 and V1 at pin 2. So this is V2 minus V1. This is the output we get from the terminal, pin terminal 6. We do not connect any electrical connection at pin number 8. Pin number 8 is not at all connected to the internal circuit diagram. Only for the mechanical stability we are using this pin number 8. So pin 8 is not connected. Which is the inverting input terminal in this IC741? Pin number 2. Which is non-inverting input terminal? Pin number 3. The name itself is suggesting inverting. That's why we are taking the negative. Non-inverting, it will not change the phase. That's why we are taking here the positive. Positive supply we are giving to which pin number? Pin number 7. Positive DC supply. For the pin number 4, we are giving the negative DC supply. Minus VE plus VCC. Output we are taking at which terminal? Pin number 6. In order to reduce the offset voltage to 0, we are connecting the potentiometer between which pins? Pin number 1 and pin number 5. This is the pin diagram of operational amplifier, popularly known as the IC741.